I didn't hit him with the pot. I dumped the pot out.
You hit me at least 7 times with this pot right here too.
Because he just grabbed me by the shirt and dragged me down the hallway.
He was also harassing my mom.
On July 23, 2024, police in Silver City, New Mexico, responded to a domestic disturbance with several children present. The boyfriend said his girlfriend hit him with a kitchen pot. She denied using the pot that way and described a different set of events. With both adults blaming each other for the violence, how would the officer decide who to arrest?
Silver City Police.
Yo,
What's going on, man?
I have no idea. My girlfriend just assaulted me and took off.
Who's your girlfriend?
She hit me like 5-6 times in the face.
Okay.
And with a pot shoe.
But, he was also harassing my mom because, she has, like, a brain tumor. And, he calls her, like, stress a lot, and that can actually cause...
Where's your mom at?
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
No.
Just kind of
I just got assaulted.
I understand.
I'm like, my adrenaline's high.
I know. Just
Pissed off.
I want you to come down. Okay, so how many times she hit you?
She hit me at least 7 times with this pot right here too. These twice. Like, send her jail. Better she's... Why? Because she assaulted me.
So, but
Okay, I did this, clean the yard for 3 hours. I was getting ready to make soup. She was helping me make it, like... She was yelling at me because I was yelling at her kids. I'm like, dude, you yell at my kids all the time. So why should it be any different? And then she threw that blade at me, and then she started throwing up at me. I got pissed, and then she started slapping me across the face. Like, actually trying to, like, hit me in the nose, trying to break my nose.
So you think she slapped you like 7 times? Is that what you're saying?
Dude, at least.
Okay.
She is a witness, the daughters, both of them. They saw
With both hands she hit you or just one?
She was trying to take me down, like her dad taught her. But the thing I told her is, that ain't shit.
Okay. And that's the pot she hit you with?
Yep. Dumped it on me and then hit me across the face with it. Trying to take me down.
Okay. Did you ever hit her any time?
Nope.
No. Okay. How many
I
kids?
grabbed her like that after she hit me about the 6th time, but I never touched her, like never picked her up, never hit her, never assaulted her, nothing.
Grabbed her to get away?
I grabbed her because I was pissed. Like, stop hitting me. And then she assaulted, like, after that, she hit me like another 2 or 3 times. So.
Okay. You been drinking today?
Yeah,
Her
because
too?
I was doing yard. I don't know if she was drinking, I don't know. But this is all because of her right here.
Okay. How many kids were last
We
night?
got 4 kids. There was 3 of them here, the other one was at her grandma's house.
3 here. Can I see where she hit you exactly? Can you show me? Can I look at the
Like
markings?
all over the face.
And then you said, where'd the pot hit you at?
Like she dumped it on my head and fucking
With water in it?
swung at me, yeah. Of course, that's why I'm all wet. And he told my daughter to come back so she can help me find my glasses.
How many daughters are in here now?
One of them is my son.
His own account contained a contradiction. He claimed the grabbing happened only after he struck him repeatedly. So far, the officer had heard only the man's version. Next, the officer would hear her version and how much of his story she'd confirm.
I didn't like the way he continued next to the big rock that's next to my van where I threw his beer at.
I know he's talked to you, but I want to talk to you all over again. Can you calm down for me and talk to me?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Take your time.
I've already got things pending. I can't have any more problems or I'll go back to jail because I've got accused.
So now, on your end of the story, what happened?
Yeah, he was getting after her because she didn't sit with the boy in the bathtub.
Yelling at him? Yelling at her?
No, well, kind of. He was just kind of calling her a lazy. They're just derogatory names because he got shampoo in his eyes and was crying. So he was telling her she's a lazy. I got upset because he continued with just hurtful statements towards her for not watching her brother. And so I asked him to stop, and I asked him, I think you need to slow down drinking because you're getting verbal with us. And I got his beer and I threw it in the sidewalk.
Did you ever hit him? I need the truth,
Yes,
because
but she was doing it
Yes.
purpose. Like she was standing up.
Did you hit him with the pot and pour water?
No, I didn't hit him with the pot. I dumped the pot out and then I put the pot on top of his head. But it was
Yeah,
empty.
like she basically just tapped.
Okay, go sit down. Go sit down.
It is, you guys,
Go sit down.
okay? Thank
Go
you.
sit down.
Thank you. How many times did you hit him?
I don't know.
He said about, he told me about 7 times he thinks, and hit with the pot twice in the head.
I didn't hit him with the pot. I put it on top of his head.
Okay. How many times did you hit him?
A couple. Every time he said my dad was a piece of and that Jesus was a piece of
Where did you hit him at?
his face.
You put the pot on his
I
head.
put the pot on his head. I didn't hit him with it. I put it on his
How
head
come
and it
he's
was
all wet?
empty.
How come his head's all wet then? He is wet.
I don't. Oh, that was a cup. That was a styrofoam cup.
Do you throw that at him?
I crushed it
Over his head?
on top of him. Nah, I didn't hit him with it. Because he just grabbed me by the shirt and dragged me down the hallway. So I grabbed the styrofoam cup on the way. You see the hallway in my house.
He said that the only time he grabbed you was because he was tired of being hit by you, and that's why he ended up grabbing you. You do have some scratches in there.
Yeah, it's. I want it to be.
So you hit him first because he's yelling at the kid, huh? Okay.
I wanted him to just get away from her bedroom door after she was sent to her room. I just wanted her to be left alone once she got sent to the room.
Her account overlapped with the boyfriend's on several key points, but she also said the boyfriend grabbed her by the shirt and dragged her down the hallway. Both adults had now admitted using force, leaving the officer to decide who the aggressor was.
She didn't. He
I need
didn't.
to explain something to you. Even though he was yelling at the kids, and it upset you, but you shouldn't have hit him. That's what set a lot of this off, was you hitting him as many times as you did, and the water over the head. That's a battery. Altogether, it's a battery. I do have to take you to jail. I don't want to do it for the kids. I don't want to do it for the kids. I want you to work with me. So
How long do I have?
You'll probably see the judge tomorrow. Who can watch the kids?
I don't know. I don't know if I can leave him with him or not.
I mean, I know he's drinking. He admitted to me. He said working the yard all day he was drinking. And just you being the aggressor on the part of hitting first and continues doing it. You know, you telling me that you did hit him more than once. And you put the water on his head. It's just, how can we do this? I need you to get your, can he get you a pair of shoes next door? Can we get you something? And who can watch the kid? That's my biggest concern.
I don't know. I don't know if he wants them or not.
We'll talk to him.
That's his mom.
Well, she willing to help.
She's. I don't know.
Grandma, are you willing to help out here with the kids?
Yeah. You're more than welcome to my house.
Okay. So you're willing to help out the kids?
Yes.
Okay. I'm pretty sure he could watch some of them too. I mean, I know he's drinking, but he's not, or he's falling over drunk. He's not in that state of mind. I mean, he's pretty upset right now with what happened.
Yeah.
I've already got things going on. And
Okay. I need you to calm down and you listen to me. I know.
I can't.
You need an ambulance here?
I don't know. I can't.
Listen to me. I need you to calm down now. We do need to calm down. Here's the thing. The situation happened here. It already happened.
I'm gonna put underwear on because
Yes.
when I go in there,
This is how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take him outside with me to talk to him a little bit more. My officer here's gonna go with you there to get your stuff that you go, and then I want you to come to my cop car. I will cuff you over there. I want the kids to see. Okay? I want the kids to see. I'm trying to do my best to make things work out right for the arrest. I don't want to make it a bigger deal than it has to be. You need to come down here and listen to me. You're gonna be out probably by tomorrow. You're gonna see a judge tomorrow. No matter what, I have to make an arrest on this. So you're admitting to me that you did do what you did, and he'll tell me his story. Okay? You ready to do this? You ready? Okay. Let me know when. Yeah, let me know. Hey, Philip. So just come with me for now. She's gonna come in here, get some underwear on, and some shoes. I'm gonna have to make an arrest on her. I have no choice. She admitted to being the aggressor, and in domestic violence cases, we have to make it.
The officer described the arrest as mandatory. New Mexico law gives police the authority to arrest without a warrant when they have probable cause to believe domestic battery occurred. But that statute says an officer may make the arrest. It isn't automatic, though a department policy can require one.
Face that way and put your hand behind your back, please. Mark me 10-15 with the female. I'll be en route to the PD.
The woman was arrested after the officer identified her as the aggressor and called the incident domestic violence. Based on everything both adults admitted, was that the right call, or should the boyfriend's admitted grabbing have changed the decision? Let us know in the comments.